A child walks along the shore, collecting shells and watching the waves roll in. Noticing a sparkling Tidepool, the child kneels down, captivated by its shimmering surface. The reflection in the water doesn't show the sky, it reveals a hidden underwater world. Tiny sea creatures wave from below, their colors bright and welcoming. A starfish introduces itself, saying, "This Tidepool is a window to the ocean's secrets." The child watches as a school of glowing fish swim in dazzling patterns. A wise old crab tells of deep-sea caves where only the brave dare to venture. The child listens closely, feeling inspired by the creature's courage and knowledge. A playful fish leaps, saying, "Curiosity is how we discover the world. Never stop exploring." The Tidepool shimmers, showing scenes of hidden coral reefs and mysterious underwater valleys. The child realizes the ocean is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. The tide begins to rise, and the Tidepool's magical glow starts to fade. The sea creatures wave goodbye, reminding the child to always be curious and brave. The child steps back, gazing at the vast ocean, now seeing it with new eyes. As the sun sets, the child leaves the beach, carrying the lessons of courage and curiosity forever.